Today I'm gonna talk about the labels. This is the label page, and you can see I already have several labels here. You can create a label. Label can have like a different icon for your choice. Let's say I create a label. Let's call it a favorite. So now I can like mark. I can create a favorite label that I can attach to a task or transaction or node. Or if I can create maybe like a star. Let's see if we have a star somewhere. So there are several labels you can like try. There are multiple icons you can use. So now I choose the star. Now I have a label star. Okay. So once you create a label, you can actually search by label. Let's say if I create a label called bugs, then we can in the search page we can search labels that has a bug. Um, when you're cooperating with other people in your Bojo, let's say in this mobile Bojo, sometimes other people created other label, so they kind of look the same, but it's their label. I just clicked it. So let's go back. So I just click on this, and then if I click it, it brings me to the search page. Also, like I mentioned, like you can in a Bojo, we actually show all the labels of that appeared in this Bojo. So if you have a feature label or punch card label, if let's say if I click the feature label, it brings me and show all the item like a task that has the feature label on it. When I create a particular task or transaction, I can say, let's say, task one, and here I can give some label. Let's say it's called a meeting. You can give actually multiple labels. Let's say if we give a two label here, it actually created here. Also, you can edit it by, let's say, let me remove this meeting label here. Also, if you go into a particular task, you can actually edit. You can actually edit the label directly. You can add other label like a favorite. You can actually move it, change the. You can change the order of the label. The good thing about the changing the order is that we always use the first label's icon for your task. Also, we just mentioned about the task, and so let's check about the ledger. So let's say if we add a label for this ledger, let's add a utility, for example. And as you can see here, the icon of this transaction use the label of the utility. And also, actually, if you can actually, if you have different labels, let's give this another label here. Let's change this to be income, and give it a star or a favorite maybe. You see this, you can see it can show you the percentage of each label. Let's give another favorite here, so see how it looks. So it looks like the favorite has like taken like a that's appear two times, and here the star. Also, this is the utility. That's all the label appeared in here, and also if you click on any of this, let's say I click on favorite, it brings you directly to here in the search label page. Yes, that's all for the labels.